Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. Now, this is just the leftover plastic bags from doing one polyester bat job, and I mean, there's nothing we can do with these bags. They're all going to landfill. Obviously, they're all torn up anyway, and it's one of the things that people don't realise when they buy bats is that all the bats come pre-packed in bags like this. If you care about the environment, bats aren't the best option. We recommend the Cellulose fibre insulation, which I'll show you here in the factory. We manufacture it here, and so all the cellulose is made in these recyclable bags, right? And so every single job we bring back the old bags, as you can see there's a whole stack of them, and refill them, and they get refilled, hundreds and hundreds of times. I don't know exactly the number, but they last a long time. So anyway, that's one of the environmental reasons why cellulose fibre is a lot better product to use. It's pumped into your roof. It doesn't get any. I'll just grab a handful here. So that's a handful of it there. Pumped into your roof, so there's no gaps, whereas with bats 1% gaps reduces your efficiency by 30%. The borax in the product kills any ants, spiders, cockroaches or silverfish. It's more fire retardant than any other product on the market. Actually, I'll just bring you over here and I'll show you. We do a flame test on all our products anyway, but if I just show this to you, there's a bit of wind here today, but if that was a polyester bat, we would have already burned through the bat, which is another disadvantage of the fiberglass bat. So even though they meet the Australian standards of fire and environment, they're not anywhere near as good as that. And if we actually break that apart, you can see the flame only burnt in that deep into the product, and that's how deep the heat's got in too. So that just gives you an idea of how good it is for fire. So environmentally, it's made out of recycled paper pulp, and so it's a good product as far as that goes. And there's no plastic bags that are thrown away at the end of the job. So it's good from those perspectives because it's pumped in. There's no gaps because of the borax. There's no ants, spiders, cockroaches, silverfish or dust mites, and actually rodents. That's the other thing, is bats. Rodents love bats, whereas with the cellulose fibre, we give you a lifetime guarantee with the product, and I've never ever seen a rat or a mice build a nest in bats. So if that helps anybody understand cellulose a bit more, this is the back of my truck here. So this is one of the reasons why most companies don't install it, is because they don't have the equipment. So you need a big machine like this, and the hoses and everything. And obviously, if you've got a machine like that, you need a bit of training. Whereas the bat installers just send labourers out to site. They don't give them any training particularly. They tell them to read the packet. You can see I've got a couple of packs of bats there. That's left over from yesterday's job, and they just read the packet, climb up on your roof and do the job, which is why, probably 80 or 90% of the jobs that I inspect that somebody else has done that are bat jobs, at least half of them will have rats in them if they've been there for more than 3 years, and the rest of them will be done. So 9 out of 10 of them would be done at less than 60% of the quality that I'd expect from my staff. So anyway, that's if that helps anybody, like, comment or share.